Hello everyone, today on Wonuola Cooks, I'm going to show you how to make akara at home. Akara is also known as bean cake and it's very popular in Nigeria and in some other parts of Africa. I'll also be showing you an easy way to peel your beans and other tips that you can use to make a stress-free akara. My name is Wonuola, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm using white beans for this recipe, but you can also use brown beans. In here I've got onion, punt paprika pepper and Scotch bonnet pepper. The first thing I'm going to do is to add some water to the beans and soak it for about 3 minutes. Next, I'm adding the soaked beans into my mini food processor. I like to use this mini food processor because I'm making a small quantity of akara, and aside that, this mini food processor is very easy to use and clean. Using the pulse button, I will be pressing it for about 5 or 6 times just to ensure that the beans get peeled and not blended. This is one of the easiest way I know to peel beans. I'll be repeating the same procedure for the remaining beans. Next, I'm going to be separating the beans from the skin, and this is super easy. All you need to do is just watch what I'm doing. You need a sieve and you need water. I'll continue the same procedure until I get rid of all the skin on the beans. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, or you are watching for the first time, you're welcome to Wonuola Cooks. Thank you for stopping by. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button and put on the bell notification so you can know when I post new recipes on my channel, because there are still more recipes coming. Also, do not forget to click the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your family, friends, or anyone around you. It's going to help me. It's going to help my channel. Thank you. I've added some water to the beans and I'll let it soak for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. This procedure helps my beans to get soft and it helps me to blend easily. It also helps the blades of my food processor. The next procedure is to add the peeled beans into your blender or your food processor and blend it until you have a smooth puree. While blending, if you notice that the blades of your blender or food processor are not moving anymore, all you need to do is add a tiny little bit of water and continue blending until you achieve a smooth puree. We don't need a lot of water for this recipe. Once that is done, I'm going to take the blended beans out and continue blending the remaining beans. At this point, I'm going to add the bell pepper and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now that I'm done with the blending procedure, I'm going to go in with my wooden spoon and start to mix the beans together until it becomes fluffy. You're going to see that in a bit, and this helps to incorporate air in the beans. While doing this, I like to set my timer to 10 minutes. If you don't want to use your hand, you can use a stand mixer and you can also use a hand mixer. But I prefer to use my hand because I'm not making a lot. If you are making a lot or you don't want to go through this stress, you can definitely use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this procedure. Once it drops like so, it's a sign that we are good to go. Our akara is almost ready and we can go on to the frying procedure. Before I fry the akara, I like to season with some chicken seasoning, salt and crayfish powder. The crayfish powder adds a lot of flavor to the akara. You can take it out if you don't want. I will be mixing all of that together just until it is well combined. Next, I'll be adding in some chopped onions. You can add less or more onions if you prefer, and you can also blend the onions if you don't like to see onions in your akara, but I like to see the onions. This is why I do it this way. I'll mix all of that together and move on to the frying procedure. To fry the akara, I'm using some sunflower oil. You can also use any cooking oil of your choice. I just added some onions to the oil and I am scooping in the akara gently. It's important that you don't overcrowd the pan when frying, and please do not forget to fry the akara on a medium heat. Once one side starts to get brown, all you need to do is just turn it gently to the other side until it gets cooked. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes. The akara is ready and you can see how yummy it looks, and trust me, it tasted very delicious. I'm draining with a sieve and I'll continue with the rest of the frying procedure. This is what the insides of the akara looks like. I was eating it while frying. It was irresistible. It's really delicious. I hope you try this recipe. It's yummy, it is proteinous, and it is just perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your family, friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye.